Welcome to your new single-family home in Lake Nona's Story Park, a master-planned community inspired by and designed based on 5 pillars: community, nature, health, story, and home. The community boasts resort-style amenities in the heart of Lake Nona. Your guests will walk up a pavered approach onto a welcoming covered front porch with plenty of room for a pair of rocking chairs or a porch swing. A huge foyer and modern open floor plan awaits inside with wood grain, ceramic tile floors, and neutral, relaxing paint colors. From the foyer, enter the formal dining room with plenty of light and views to the neighborhood outside. Your living room has room for a casual dining area and is open to the kitchen with upgraded slate appliances, solid surface countertops, and extra tall wood cabinets. If you're entering from the alley-loaded 2-car garage, a private pavered courtyard will greet you, along with a flexible homework office area or gaming station. Upstairs, find 3 bedrooms, including the master suite with its sprawling closet, soaking tub, dual sinks, and more solid surface countertops and wood cabinets. The remaining bedroom and upstairs laundry make this home perfect for a family of any size. Lake Nona means better, healthier living. With 40% green space, there are parks on every corner, pools in every neighborhood, and 44 miles of trails crisscrossing throughout. Call now to schedule your showing.